Hello and welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin. Yeah, we continue with Todome Gikuyu. That is, let's study Kikuyu. So you are much welcome. I hope you have been doing good, and I hope that you are continuing practicing and even researching more on the Kikuyu language even as we proceed. Back all your comments and even those who are contacting me directly, thank you. May God bless you. So today I want just us to make a simple introduction. How do you make your how do you introduce yourself to maybe to a new person? Yeah, and that's what we are calling kweyaria. That is introduction. So the first way you introduce yourself is to greet the person that you have just met. So a simple way to greet someone is to tell them we mwega. You can see it here. We mwega. That is what someone, are you good? Or in another way, it's just the same way of asking someone, how are you? Okay, so let's just go to the next slide just so that I can illustrate that. And you can also ask someone, apart from asking someone we mwega, you can also ask uhoro waku. Uhoro waku. How are you? And then the person is going to answer you. Nemwega. If you ask someone this one, that person is going to tell you nemwega. But if you have asked someone, if you have asked someone we mwega, that person will tell you de mwega. And then they can ask you where we mwega. That is to ask you, that's to tell you I am well. The person has answered you, I am well. De mwega or ne mwega. Uhoro waku ne mwega. Then the person asks you where we mwega. So that's like asking in English, I'm well. And you? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Then you answer that person. O na nie de mwega. O na nie de mwega. O na nie de mwega. That is that person. I'm well too. Okay. And then the other part is to ask someone what their name is. So to ask someone what their name is, you ask wetagwo atea. So that is to ask what do they call you, or what is your name? And the person is going to answer you jetagwo maina. That is say my name is Maina, or they call me Maina. Okay, I hope that is simple. So to ask someone what their name is, you say wetagwo atea. Okay, and then they will tell you jetagwo waboi, jetagwo Maina, jetagwo Jerry, jetagwo Kamau, jetagwo jetagwo, then the name. Yeah, that's good. Let's go to the next one. Then you can ask someone where they come from. To ask someone where they come from, you'll ask them umeteko. That is to ask someone where do you come from, and then the person will answer you nyumete Kiabu. I come from Kiabu. Nyumete Kiabu, I come from Kiabu. And then maybe just to shorten this conversation, you can ask them for their phone number. How do you do that? You tell them like this: He namba yaku ya thimũ. He namba yaku ya thimũ. Give me your phone number. He namba yaku ya thimũ. He namba yaku ya thimũ. He namba yaku ya thimũ. That's in normal conversation would be like he namba yaku ya thimũ, but slow in a slow motion is he namba yaku ya thimũ. Give me your phone number. And then after they have given you their phone number, you tell them thank you. So to say thank you, you say thank you, and then to tell that person that you'll talk later, you tell them thank you nitokwaria. Thank you nitokwaria. That is so someone thank you, we'll talk. And that is it for today. May God bless you. Continue practicing, continue commenting, continue supporting me, and continue learning. May God bless you. Have the best time until when we meet in the next lesson. Continue sending the comments saying which lessons you want, the things you want to learn, and I will continue preparing those materials. God bless you. See you in the next.